Hi students, we are studying the lesson A Triumph of Surgery. In our previous session, we studied that Mr. Harriet did not give any food to Tricky for 2 days. He just gave plenty of water to him. Third day onwards, Tricky started to show some interest in his surroundings and he started to mingle with other dogs and he started to recover. Now let's continue. All the while, Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. But I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. Here we can see Mrs. Pumphrey was sad and she used to hover anxiously in the backyard. Hover means to remain in a place as if unwilling to depart. And she used to call Mr. Harriet more than 12 times a day to inquire about Tricky's health condition. Mr. Harriet avoided questions here. Dodged means avoided questions about whether Tricky's cushions were being turned regularly, whether he had worn coat according to the weather, etc. Such kind of questions. For them, he was not willing to give answer. He wanted to avoid such kind of questions. But he told her that Tricky was out of danger and he is convalescing rapidly. Convalescing means recovering from illness. The word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. She started to bring round bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of situation began to dawn on the household. The word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. Hearing the word convalescing, Mrs. Pumphrey thought that Tricky was in a better condition. Mrs. Pumphrey wanted Tricky to recover fast. So she started sending 2 dozen eggs every day. But Mr. Harriet did not give eggs to Tricky because he knew that because of such food only Tricky was ill. Mr. Harriet and his partners would have 2 eggs each for breakfast. It means Mr. Harriet and his partners they started to eat eggs. Then to improve the quality of blood of Tricky, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending bottles of wine. Then the real possibilities of a situation began to dawn on. It means Mr. Harriet and his partners of the hospital understood Mrs. Pumphrey's concern about Tricky. It was to enrich Tricky's blood. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. Mr. Harriet did not give wine to Tricky. It became Mr. Harriet and his partner's habit to have 2 glasses of wine before lunch and several glasses during the meal. Their lunch time became like a ceremonial occasions. It means Mr. Harriet and his partners they used to drink the wine. We could hardly believe it when the brandy came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. For a few nights the fine spirit was rolled around and inhaled and reverently drunk. It was difficult for them to believe when Mrs. Pumphrey started sending brandy, brandy means alcoholic drink, to improve Tricky's health. Harriet and its partners shared it among themselves and they drank with reverently means respectfully. They were days of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously round the fire with the brandy. They were days of content. Content means satisfaction for Mr. Harriet and his partners because they used to start their day with extra eggs in the breakfast. Then they would have a few glasses of wine in the afternoon and ending their day with brandy in the evening. Like this, they were enjoying their lives with the things which were sent for Tricky. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. Because of all the things that were being sent for Tricky, Mr. Harriet was tempted to keep Tricky as a permanent guest in his surgery. He wanted to keep him as a permanent guest in his hospital. But he realized that Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering without Tricky and really she wanted Tricky to come home soon. So after a fortnight, Tricky was completely recovered and ready to go home. That's why Mr. Harriet called up Mrs. Pumphrey to come to pick him up. It means Tricky was completely recovered and the narrator, the Dr. James Harriet, he wanted to hand over the dog to Mrs. Pumphrey.